People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. Great experiences like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of satisfaction possible. Making everyone happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you confidence to use our services in the future. Everyone we serve was new at one time, so we are always excited to speak with everyone, whether they are new or returning. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.